lucky to do this. And whoever is jaded right now for snowboarding, I think we should all be grateful for this amazing thing in our lives. Cheers to snowboarding! Woo! And I think... and I think... okay, chill out. You'll see the movie. I think this award takes a lot of soul. You have to be really good snowboarder, but you have to also be somebody that people can relate to and that people love and that people can connect to. And I think that's why it's the best award you can win. So, cheers to these guys for sure. Huge props.
And let's roll the nominees.
That's a pretty cool crew right there. Yeah. And the winner